Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here. I have a Stitchfix unboxing. It's been a couple months and it's time. So I am really curious to see what my stylist sent me. I kind of didn't give any notes. I just said, surprise me and impress me and, you know. So she's pretty good at knowing what I like. If you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is a sort of subscription service, I suppose, for fashion at your door. It's a personal stylist, so the best way to make it work for you is to be very specific in your preferences, put in your sizes, measurements, all that stuff. There are so many like surveys and do you like this outfit versus this outfit kind of things. So those have always helped me. If you sign up with my code, you get $25 off and I get $25. So it's a win-win. We like that. And then you can share your code, and then if someone you know signs up and gets their Stitch Fix delivered, then you get your credit. So it's kind of a great little referral system. And if you're interested in any of my previous videos, they're in my playlist for unboxings, and I hope you subscribe. In fact, I'll wait while you go ahead and click that red subscribe button. Oh, good. Okay, thanks. Oh my God, that was the dorkiest. Alrighty, woohoo! You get 5 items. You do pay your stylist fee, $20. If you don't order anything, if you order something, it's waived. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% off discount. Let's see what her note says to me. Hi Rebecca, happy August. Technically now it's September. I had so much fun styling your fix. I found you a few transitional pieces to take you from summer into fall. I also included a few styles similar to your pins. Pinterest, use it. I think you'll love the machine washable classic navy collective concepts top. It's perfect for pairing with your white jeans, all the 4 pairs I have, a lot. A denim jacket or the super soft coral, love Ellie cardigan. A natural wedges for a preppy chic vibe can go easily into the next season. The dark wash cotton blend Democracy jean. Democracy is probably one of my favorite denim brands. Is great for dressing up or down. Pair the jean with the machine washable J. Crew texture blouse. J. Crew? And fun heels for a date night. The look is also great for taking you into the holidays. Wow. Nikki, slow down. Alrighty. Well, oh, that's so pretty looking. I see jeans and polka dots, and this is lovely. I'm going to pull each piece out, show you, tell you what it is, tell you how much it is, what size I got, and then we are going to have a little fashion show at the end. So this is the Collective Concepts Edaline? Yeah. Edaline back detail top. This is navy, and look, that's the detail. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a really cute crisscross in the back. It's kind of a racer back tank, but in a blousey sort of, in a more, you know, dressy way. It's a nice fabric. I like it. It is a size small and it is $54. Got a nice, that's cute. This is a Daniel Rainn, which I always love that brand. Smock detail blouse. That is super cute. Holy cow, I love this. I love things that are smocked and have ruffles, and I mean, look at that. It's kind of sheer, which makes it kind of fun. Size small. It's got like, I think it's black and it has some like red and teal flecks with it. So talk about the ability to match it with whatever you want. Okay, $68. And then this one is a little expensive. It's $98. This is the J. Crew blouse, but it's adorable. It kind of goes with what my, yeah, it's polka dots. It's blousey. It's Oh, it's got a smock like turtleneck to it, but it's stretchy, so that's good. That's really interesting. This is very different than something I've ever owned. I love the color scheme. I love the smocking. I don't know how much I'm gonna like the neckline. We'll see. That's always what's fun about having a stylist, because honestly, you need that person to say, look, you need to get out of that rut. You need to try this. You've never worn it before. You don't know if you like it. And then you try it on and you're like, holy cow, this is amazing, right? This is the Love Ellie open cardigan, which means it doesn't have any buttons. I love the color. It goes with everything already in the pile. It has little pockets. It's very just, it's knit, but I like that it's kind of long. It's basic. I like that it has a classic straight up and down. I don't like the kind of A-line or the swing version. I've noticed that that makes me just look bigger at the hip line. So this is very comfortable looking. Size small, $38. A bargain. Makes up for the Crew Blouse, right? Democracy jeans, I have several pairs. I don't think I have the, I mean, they have this thing called Absolution, which is a booty lift design that holds in your gut. And what's great about them is you can really, I mean, not necessarily size down, but they fit so well. So you can, you don't have to worry about like sizing up. You know how jeans are always like, oh, these are gonna run small, I better size up. And Democracy, no. In fact, you'll probably surprise yourself and get a size smaller than you normally are. I have the gold stitching. These are the pale stitching. They're basically just a skinny jean. And I love Democracy jeans come up enough where you don't have to worry about your stuff hanging out. So these are, these are $78. They're called the Jeri skinny jean. So I'll put the jeans on and then I'll just rotate out the tops for you and we shall take a look. I feel so like cute and chic. Can you see this? I love it. I thought it would be weird. It's adorable. So here's the jeans as well. And as you can see, they come up just naturally high, like not too high and not too low, so they're so comfortable. The 6 is perfect. If I wanted to, I could go down. But this blouse is so cute. I hate that I love it. I don't think I've ever owned a blouse that's $98. But see, this is why you have to sign up, and then I can get more discounts. Yeah, and you too. I really thought maybe that navy top would be kind of boring, but it's actually really cute the way it's cut and the way it drapes. So this is, the blouse is underneath. This is the cardigan, so you can see it first. I really like it. It's just great. It's got a lot of, I like that it's long. It's nice. And then the shirt, here it is. I mean, I don't know, like, it's just cute. Look at that. I just think that's cute, right? This is so cute. It's blousey, it's cute, it's fun, it's smocked. 2 things with smocking, who'd have thought? Huh. So, little drawstrings. What can I say? I like it. I like it all. So there we have it. That is my 43rd fix with Stitchfix. Thanks again, Nikki. These are fun pieces. Totally my style and comfort level. I will list everything below in case you want to put in a request for your fix with your stylist. And like I said, check out that referral code, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.